Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Personal Finance, where we break down real ways to make money and prepare for the future of work. Today we're diving into a hot topic. Can you still make money with DoorDash delivery in 2025, with business slowing down, offers getting worse, and self-driving cars on the horizon? Is this gig hustle officially dead? Let's talk facts, trends, and your next moves. Let's start with where we are right now. DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, these food delivery platforms exploded during the pandemic. People were home, ordering more, tipping better. Back then, it wasn't uncommon to earn $25 to $30 an hour in a busy zone with stacked orders. But fast forward to today, too many drivers, not enough high-paying orders, many offers are under $3, long distance, or no tip. DoorDash's algorithm now prioritizes top dashers or those who accept more low-paying orders, which makes it even harder for new or selective drivers to win. Inflation's up, gas prices fluctuate, and car maintenance isn't cheap, so the profit just isn't what it used to be. Let's be real, the food delivery gig economy is evolving fast, and the elephant in the room? Self-driving cars and delivery robots. Companies like DoorDash and Uber are already testing autonomous delivery. You've seen those little robots rolling around college campuses or self-driving cars in select cities. This is not science fiction anymore. That means in the next 3 to 5 years, entry-level delivery jobs will shrink. Platforms won't need as many human drivers. It's not that delivery will disappear, it's that you might be replaced. So does that mean it's over for drivers? Not quite. But it's time to pivot. Here's the truth. You can still make money, but not if you keep doing things the same way. Here are 5 ways to pivot smart and survive the shift. 1. Niche down. Work lunch rushes near office parks. Focus on wealthy neighborhoods. Avoid areas where too many drivers fight over the same orders. 2nd, stack gig apps. Combine DoorDash with Instacart, Amazon Flex, or Roadie. When one app slows down, switch instantly. Use downtime wisely. Don't sit and wait. 3. Focus on higher-end gigs. Move toward delivering packages, prescriptions, or catering orders. These pay more and have less saturation. Services like Curry, Delivered, or even medical courier work often fly under the radar. 4. Use your car to make money smarter. If you're driving anyway, add a car wrap or do gig photography, mystery shopping, or passenger transport like hop, skip, drive if you qualify. 5. Build digital income alongside it. While doing deliveries, listen to audiobooks or podcasts on freelancing, online income, or courses. Some drivers start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or write an ebook sharing their story and tips. Others use their downtime between orders to build an online store or flip domains. It's not about quitting gig apps immediately. It's about using them as a bridge to something more stable and scalable. So can you still make money with DoorDash in 2025? Yes, but not like before. The golden era is over. The smart era has begun. Use what you've learned behind the wheel to out-hustle, out-pivot, and outlast the changes coming. Because while the gig economy might change, hustlers always adapt. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Do you think food delivery apps are dead? Let's talk about it.